Appleberry, can I please take Jellybean home with me? Okay, JJ, but you need to be really careful because Jellybean likes to go out and explore. She's gonna run away. Oh no, Miss Appleberry, I'm gonna be really careful. I'm gonna take a great care of her. Don't worry at all. Okay, JJ, you can bring her back next week. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Let's go, Jellybean. Hop in the bus. Okay, JJ, you can sit in the front. And Jellybean can sit right here. Let's go. Welcome home, Jellybean. Let's go inside. Mommy, look who I brought home. It's Jellybean. Oh wow, Jellybean, we missed you so much here. It's nice to see you again. Welcome. But JJ, you need to take really good care of her. You know she likes to run away. Oh yes, Miss Appleberry already told me that she likes to explore and go around. Don't worry, I'm gonna keep her safe. How about you go and give her a bath while I prepare dinner? Come on, Jellybean, hop in the bubble. Let me help you. Now you're all nice and clean. Let's go downstairs for dinner. Mommy, we finished the bath. What's for dinner now? We are hungry. Oh, let's see. I prepared so many things. Would you like to sit down? Jellybean, you can sit over here. And JJ, you can sit over here. We are also ready for dinner. Oh, yeah, me too. You guys can sit over here. Let's see what we have for dinner. Enjoy your dinner, kids. We need to go to bed early because tomorrow we have a big day coming. Tomorrow we are going to the beach. We need to get up really early. Okay, Mommy, thank you for dinner. This is really yummy. Yum. Now it's time for bed, my love. Good night. Jellybean can sleep on the sofa next to you. Okay, Mommy, good night. I love you. Love you too, JJ. And you, Jellybean, too. But JJ, before sleeping, don't forget to brush your teeth and change into a pajama. I'm ready to brush my teeth, Mommy. Brushing. Jellybean, let's brush your teeth too. Okay, here we go. All ready for bed. Good night, Mommy. Good night, my love. Mwah. Hop on, Jellybean. Good night. Hello, today is a garbage day. Here we have one container. Let's pick it up. Let's hurry up. We still need to clean the whole beach. Let's go. Aha! Yay! Woo! Good morning, JJ. Good morning, Mommy. Where's Jellybean? She's right there on the green couch. I don't think so, JJ. It doesn't look like she's here. Oh no, Mommy. It looks like a lost Jellybean. Where can she be? Don't worry, JJ. I'm gonna help you look. Let's go together. Come on. Maybe she's here. Oh, no. She's not here. How about behind the sofa? Nope. She's not here either. How about under the table? No. She's not here. How about here behind this tree? No. She's not here. Oh no, Mommy, look. The container is open. She probably went with the garbage truck. Oh, I know. She probably went to the beach. Their next stop is the beach. Silly Jellybean, I know she likes to go to the beach. Okay, let's go. Wait, we have to invite your brother and sister to go. And you also need to change into the swimming shorts. We are ready for the beach. JJ, get dressed quickly. We have to go. I'm ready. Let's go. Mommy, look. I found Jellybean, but she's all covered in a gooey slime. Oh no, quickly. We have to get her to the vet. Jellybean, don't worry. We're gonna save you. Hello, doctor. It's an emergency. Jellybean got stuck in the slime. Oh, hello, JJ. What happened? Look, doctor. Jellybean got in trouble. She got stuck in the slime. I see. Yes, it's a serious problem. Let's get her on the table and I take the slime off. Let's take a closer look. Okay, I need to put the lights on. Let's see. Oh, silly jelly bean. We need to quickly start removing this slime. Here you go, you are all safe now. But remember, you cannot just go around and get stuck in the slime. You have to be really careful. Yes, doctor, it's all my fault. I didn't really look where she's going, and next time I really need to be careful. I need to take better care of her. But please, Jellybean, don't leave and go explore by yourself next time. I'm gonna go with you. And thank you, kids, for watching our adventures. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon next time. Bye.